let me show you how we can enter and exit the recovery mode on POCO F8 Pro and POCO F8 Ultra. So in order to go to the recovery mode, first of all, we're gonna restart our phone. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to open the power menu. In your case, you just might need to hold the power button in case you made changes in settings. And then we're gonna slide this white circle down to reboot. And then we will see this circle. Once it disappears, you want to press and hold volume up. So just keep holding volume up once it disappears. And we need to keep holding it until you open the recovery mode. So just keep holding, and there we go. Now we are in the recovery mode. Now in here we can use volume buttons in order to navigate in this menu. And we confirm our choice by using the power button. So now if you want to exit the recovery mode, you can just simply choose reboot option and press the power button. And then confirm by once again selecting reboot to system. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.